How to transfer a purchase order to another supplier in AAAPOS RetailManager. AAAPOS RetailManager now allows you to transfer an existing open purchase order from one supplier to another. This feature is ideal when you originally place an order with supplier A, but the goods or invoice are fulfilled by supplier B. It helps eliminate duplicate work and streamlines your purchasing process. First, go to the top menu, click Tools, then select Lookup, and choose Orders. Next, search for the purchase order you want to update and click to open it. In the Purchase Order screen, click Change Supplier. A pop-up window will appear. Search for and select the new supplier, then click Update Order. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to continue. Your purchase order has now been successfully transferred to the new supplier. You can continue with receiving goods or processing invoices. Please note, the purchase order must be open, and it must not contain partially received items or items on backorder. This feature helps save time, reduce duplicate work, and simplify supplier corrections in AAAPOS RetailManager.